Good afternoon, dear students. Myself, Jagjit Kaur Master. Today, I am going to deliver my lesson on the topic International Labour Day. It is a part of the activities described by our Cultural and Education Cell, Director School Education, Jammu. So, dear students, you know International Labour Day is celebrated in every year on 1st May. Labor Day has its origin in the labor union movement in the United States in the 19th century. In 1889, the Marxist International Socialist Congress adopted a resolution for a great international demonstration in which they demanded that workers should not be made to work for more than 8 hours a day. After this, it became an annual event. The movement sprang up in Britain from where the Industrial Revolution has started. Dear students, Industrial Revolution जब स्टार्ट हुई इंग्लैंड में तो आपको पता ही है कि जो सारा काम जो था इट स्टार्टेड विद द मशीन्स एंड हैंड वर्क was stopped and the machine work started, which in where the most of the factories, industries were established in Europe, and the condition of the workers, because they have to work continuously in the machines, with the machines continuously working, they have to work for 12 to 14 hours, and their condition had become very bad. So working condition also, it led to the health problems to the workers. The workers, they had no safe conditions to live, they had no safe water to drink, so they were in very bad conditions. You know students, a worker is a creator and great asset to our nation. एक वर्कर जो है वही सारा काम जो है वो उसी के सहारे सारा काम होता है. If we say that students are reading in the education institutions, and who has made these institutions, who has worked, this is the great effort of our workers, of our laborers. So Labor Day is promoted by the labor movement, which is a movement for the collective organization of the working people. International Labour Day is celebrated on May 1st all over the world. It is a celebration of laborers and working class. And the laborers, now they asked the government that they will not work for the 14 hours, they will work only for 8 hours a day. They also demanded that working hours should be fixed up to 8 hours, and they should get facilities as safe drinking water, as health aid should be given to them. They should also be given some pension after the retirement, or being injured, they should get some aid. And there were many problems of the workers, so it was a movement which exploded at the world level. The International Labour Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, which is an organization of the UNO, part of the UNO, United Nations का जो part है, it deals with the labor issues, जो labours के issues में के साथ deal करता है, and it works towards the raising standards of the labourers across the world. ILO जो है, International Labour Organization, it is working for the welfare of the labour class and the worker class. In India, Labor Day is a national holiday. लेबर डे जो है इंडिया में भी एक नेशनल हॉलीडे इस दिन मनाया जाता है 1 मई को. द फर्स्ट लेबर डे वाज सेलिब्रेटेड इन इंडिया इन 1933 इन चेन्नई. दिस डे वाज ऑब्जर्व्ड बाय द लेबर किसान पार्टी ऑफ हिंदुस्तान. दिस डे इज आल्सो नोन एज कामगार दिवस, एंड अंतर्राष्ट्रीय श्रमिक दिवस इन इंडिया. तो ये जो लेबर्स थे, इनकी हालत बड़ी ख़राब थी। इसका आज मेन यही है, इनकी कंडीशंस बहुत ख़राब थी। जब इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन के बाद वर्कर्स को काम 24 आवर्स 14 आवर्स तक काम करवाया जाता था, तो वो बेचारे जब घर जाते थे उनको रहने के लिए सही तरीके से उनकी जगह भी नहीं होती थी। एक एक कमरे में, दिस वाज नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, इट वाज आल्सो इन द यूरोप। तो वो एक एक रूम होता था, यहाँ वहाँ पे 20-20 व्यक्ति जो हैं, दे ट्राई टू लिव देयर, दे हैव नो वॉशिंग फैसिलिटीज़ एंड वो जो थे वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बीमार पड़ने लगे, जिसके कारण लेबर डे जो है बाद में इन्होंने अपनी डिमांड्स रखी, और अब उनकी डिमांड्स मानने के बाद वो थोड़ा उनको जो है वो रिलैक्स किया गया है। सो आई understand that you may have understood this lesson.